Well, already mounted the motor. I welded. I did this welding, the welding inside. Uh, I already turned it on a couple of times and worked good. I'm gonna turn it on to show that it's working good. We have a fuse, the new starter, new thermal switch, um, new the radiator completely clean, new oil. So the only thing is put the new capillary and the new filter. I'm gonna turn it on. Turn it on, the blowing air, working the fan, working the motor. So now next week, because during the week I don't have time to go and buy the capillary, and on Monday holiday here. So will be next Saturday. I'm gonna put the filter and the capillary, and that's it. I supposed to start to run. It was difficult the welding because it highly rusted, and I paid plenty gas and plenty flux and roll because to clean it I drop material to rinse the rust and flux until catch and I get very attached. So will be next Saturday the finish to see if working or not.